Come on, Sean, get out.
Okay, Joe, you're really gonna pay for this.
What was that, Sean?
You're really gonna pay for this.
What did I do?
You're gonna pay for it now.
I'm gonna pay for it now?
Yeah.
He's like a dead fish.
Come on.
Is this mean?
No.
Hey, don't throw sand, boy.
Come on.
Come on, Sean.
This is going on YouTube.
Come on, here you go. Here you go.
Come on, Sean. You got it. You got it. Come on. You got it. Come on.
You're almost out.
I can't move.
Come on, Sean. Yeah, pull them pants up.
Okay, Joe, when we get into the car, you're paying for this.
There you go.
Didn't dig yourself, Sean. There you go.
Are you stuck, Sean?
You want some help, Sean? Oh, wait, you almost got it. You almost got your feet free.
All right. He's like, I got this. I'll even pull my pants up while running after you.